Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Noshami Ilian. I'm with Muhammad Ismawadi. My register number is F1053 and my group member is.
My name is Nur Takia Farzana binti Abdul Halim. My register number is F1041.
Today we want to discuss about comparison of two technical products.
First, we will introduce why so essential for cutting work. Second, we will compare two products to show their difference. Finally, we will mention about two means of saw. There is hand saw A and machine saw is B.
First of all, I would like to start the presentation by hand saw is product A. I have seen many types by this product, but I will say one only type, which is crosscut saw. Next, there is an interesting function, which is function for hand saw is can cut wood manually. Next, future for hand saw have many features, which is first, can easy to carry and light to your travel. And next, you can have total blade for this handsaw. And lastly, has a handle to work manually cut work. Last but not least, handsaw also have characteristics handsaw. First, handsaw less knife. And next, also handsaw have to require skill for easy to cut work easy. You can understand. And lastly, characteristics handsaw is use of woman energy. This is can talking about advantage this handsaw.
Now, I will present about product B is machine saw. Last but not least, machine saw are very strong and powerful. However, we must to follow safety steps. And lastly, machine saw are very strong. They big duration. The main function of chainsaw is cut wood automatically. This process can save time and save energy. Machine saw have features. First, using electricity. Second, use a shape to a chain. Lastly, high cutting speed. Last but not least, machine saw are very strong and powerful. However, we must to follow safety steps. And lastly, machine saw are very strong. They big duration.
My next point is about similarity product. Both of these saws are used to cut wood. This is because the saw can cut wood according to the person's wish. The second similarity is that this product use directive blade made of iron. Apart from that, another similarity is that both saws are used in construction. This is because the saw is one of the construction tools that is mandatory for cutting wood.
Now, I want to tell about difference machine saw and hand saw. First of all, machine saw is more modern than hand saw because machine saw using electricity and hand saw use traditional and simply. In addition, machine saw is more expensive than hand saw because hand saw are cheaper and easier to buy, Why machine saw? Because machine saw we need more cost and many design and powerful. Finally, hand saw are safer than machine saw because machine saw are strong and faster. They can be dangerous. Why we use hand saw? Because hand saw are slowly but they more safety.
Now, this slide show about book saw. It can easy to ladies and gentlemen to understand. This is hand saw. This is machine saw. Now, I went to different hand saw and machine saw. Hand saw is material is all modern. Machine saw is more modern. Hand saw is very cheap, but machine saw is very expensive. Hand saw is safe, but still injured. Machine saw less secure. Hand saw is can use manually, but hand saw can automatically. Hand saw is more slow, but machine saw is very fast or more fast.
Now I want discussion and analysis. First of all, the strength. Product A easy to carry and product B faster cut, such as cut work. Next, weakness. Product A very slow and product B very heavy. Secondly, suitability in different situations. For product A, suitability for small job. For example, one or two to cut work at home. Next, for product B, suitability for large project, such as a construction project. Finally, to justification. Method saw is different over hand saw because the job will be faster and faster complete the work.
In conclusion, first I will be talking about similarities and difference. Similarities, both saw are used for cutting work, but different. Machine saw use electrical, but hand saw do not electrical. I want to recommend many people to use power saw because save time. I and my group member can give one statement, which is many people prefer machine saw over hand saw because easier and good.
Thank you for listening, ladies and gentlemen. This time, Q&A. Any question? Any question?
I have a question.
Why?
Why hand saw is more safe than machine saw?
Because hand saw very slowly and easier to control. Why machine saw faster and is harder to control. Next question. Why hand saw is very slow but machine is more fast?
Hand saw is very slow because do not electric but use energy human. Machine saw use electrical.
Okay, next question. Why you want to compare these two products? Because we need to know which saw is better using in construction. Since it saw different function in an advantage.